Andrew, I just kind of want to explain what's going on at this point. Everything is still going back together. I had to dodge a little bit of a headache here, but this is what's called a limited slip. It's in your planetary gear. I'm putting it back together, but the problem was, like if you'll notice here, you see this crosshatch? That goes with this clutch disc right here. It's a viscous clutch. And what had happened was this guy here, no, sorry. This guy here should have had a disc in between, and it didn't. It was up against this one here. And I don't know who took this thing apart and put it back together, but they had steel against steel, and this guy was warped. It's like $1,000 for this stupid disc, and or this one below it. But anyways, I didn't want to wait, and the thickness was good enough. I just had to get it heated and straightened, which I just did. So we're back in action, but that's what's going on. And like I said, I don't know who took this apart last, but yeah, it's a little wacky there. Anyway, we got it.